In this review, we're diving into everything that you need to know about Melio, its features, costs, and how it stacks up against competitors like Stripe and PayPal. Plus, I'll break down the pros and cons so you can decide if it's the right tool for your business, and I'll also show you how you can get $50 cash back when you use the link down in the description below. What is Melio? Melio is a payment processing platform tailored for small businesses. It helps you pay vendors, contractors, and other business expenses quickly and easily. The best part? Vendors don't need a Melio account to get paid. You can send funds via credit card, ACH transfer, or even by mailing a check. It's a versatile tool. It simplifies payments even for vendors who haven't embraced digital transactions just yet. Melio is designed with small business owners in mind. Whether you're running a one-person operation or managing a team, the platform adapts to your needs. Now, another standout feature is Melio's seamless integration with accounting software like QuickBooks, FreshBooks, and Xero. This ensures that your financial records stay up to date without requiring the extra manual effort. Key features of Melio. Number one, flexible payment options. So Melio offers multiple ways to pay and get paid, making it one of the most adaptable platforms available. ACH bank transfers, completely free and ideal for cost-conscious businesses. These transfers are reliable and allow you to keep costs minimal. Credit card payments. Pay your vendors with the credit card even if they don't accept them directly. So this feature is particularly useful for managing cash flow or earning points and rewards. The fee for this is 2.9%, but for many businesses, the benefits outweigh the costs. Paper checks. If you work with vendors who prefer traditional methods, then Melio can mail paper checks on your behalf. The first 2 checks each month are free, and additional checks cost $1.50 each after that. Number 2, bill management made easy. Melio simplifies the often overwhelming process of managing bills. You can upload invoices in 3 separate ways. Snap a photo of the bill and upload it directly. Email invoices to your Melio account where they are automatically categorized. Sync with your accounting software to pull in bills directly. Once uploaded, you can organize bills by due date, batch them for payment, and even set up payment schedules to ensure that you never miss a deadline. Number 3, custom payment requests. So Melio allows you to create personalized payment links for clients or customers. Whether you're requesting a deposit retainer or payment for services rendered, you can share a secure link that lets clients pay via their preferred method. Again, whether that's ACH, debit card, or credit card. Number 4, team collaboration features. Managing payments often involves more than one person, especially in larger businesses. Melio makes it easy to collaborate by allowing you to add multiple users to your account, to set permissions to restrict access to specific features, such as payment approval. Number 5, mobile app for on-the-go management. For business owners who are always on the move, Melio's mobile app provides full functionality. You can send payments, approve pending transactions, and track payment statuses in real time, all from your phone. The app mirrors the web platform's capabilities, so you'll never feel limited when working remotely. Integration with accounting software. One of Melio's strongest selling points is its seamless integration with popular accounting tools like QuickBooks, FreshBooks, and Xero. Here's how it works. You enter a bill or invoice in your accounting software as usual. Then Melio syncs with the software, pulling in the data automatically. When you make a payment through Melio, the software updates itself, ensuring that your records remain accurate. So this two-way sync eliminates the need for duplicate data entry, saving time and reducing the risk of errors. Benefits of Melio. Number 1, improved cash flow management. By allowing you to pay with a credit card, even to vendors who don't accept them, Melio gives you the flexibility to defer payments while earning rewards like cashback or travel points. Number 2, batch payments for efficiency. Paying multiple vendors at once can be a hassle, but Melio's batch payment feature streamlines the process. Select all the bills that you want to pay, choose your payment method, and Melio takes care of the rest. Number 3, affordable and transparent costs. Unlike many payment platforms, Melio charges no subscription fees. ACH transfers are completely free, and while there are fees for credit card payments and expedited services, they're clearly outlined so that there are no surprises. Number 4, enhanced security. Melio prioritizes security with features like end-to-end encryption to protect sensitive payment information, fraud detection systems that monitor transactions for suspicious activity, approval workflows to ensure payments are reviewed and authorized before being sent. And number 5, vendor-friendly payments. Because vendors don't need a Melio account to receive the payments, the platform's ideal for working with contractors or suppliers who prefer traditional methods. Whether they want a check mailed or a direct bank transfer, safer, Melio handles it. Limitations of Melio. Number one are those credit card fees we talked about. The 2.9% fee for credit card payments can add up for businesses with frequent or high value transactions. However, this cost is often offset by the benefits of improved cash flow and rewards. Number two, restrictions on personal transactions. Melio is strictly a business tool, so you won't be able to use it for personal payments. For some, this may require maintaining a separate platform for non-business needs. Number three, limited international capabilities. While Melio does support international payments, they're restricted to USD. This could be a challenge for businesses working with vendors in countries that use other currencies. Number four, customer support. Although it's generally responsive, some people have reported slow customer service during high demand periods, but Melio offers self-service resources, including a comprehensive FAQ section to address most common issues. Customer feedback. Melio has received positive feedback from its users, boasting a 4.6 star rating on G2. People continually praise its user-friendly interface, seamless integrations, and cost-saving features. However, a few negative reviews mention occasional integration glitches with QuickBooks and the need for improved customer service. How does Melio compare to competitors? Melio versus Stripe. So Stripe excels at processing online payments, making it a favorite for e-commerce businesses. However, Melio offers more versatility for paying vendors and managing bills. Its free ACH transfers and ability to mail paper checks make it more cost-effective for traditional businesses. Melio versus PayPal. While PayPal is widely recognized, it charges fees for both the sender and receiver. In contrast, Melio's ACH transfers are completely free, and its integration with accounting tools make it a better choice for businesses with complex bookkeeping needs. Melio versus QuickBooks Payments. QuickBooks Payments is a natural choice for QuickBooks users, but it lacks the flexibility of Melio's payment options. Additionally, QuickBooks Payments charges subscription fees, while Melio does not. Is Melio right for your business? So Melio is an excellent choice for small businesses looking to streamline their payment processes, improve cash flow, and save on transaction fees. Its free ACH transfers, integration with accounting tools, and flexibility in payment options make it a standout platform. However, if your business requires advanced international payment capabilities or you need a platform for personal transactions, you might want to explore alternative solutions. So if you want to get started with Melio, we'll have a link for it down in the description, which will bring you to this page right here, where if you use this link, you can go ahead and get $50 cash back. So be sure to sign up for Melio using the link down in the description. Now let's take a quick look inside Melio to show you what it looks like. So over here on the left-hand side, we have pay, get paid, and customers. Inside of the pay tab here, we have vendors, bills, approvals, and payments. And to create a new payment, we can come up here and press new payment. Under the get paid tab, we have unsent money, sent money, in progress, and paid. And under customers, this is where you can go ahead and add your customers. So as you can see, Melio has a very intuitive and easy to use interface. And again, if you want to get started with Melio and get $50 cash back, be sure to use the link down below in the description. So there you have it, a complete review of Melio, one of the best payment tools for small businesses. You can find the link down in the description to get started. And when you go ahead and use that link, you're going to get a $50 cash back by using that link. Now that link is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. These commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.